Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can restore your missing desktop icons in Windows 11. For example, you don't have a recycle bin or this PC icon on your desktop. So how you can display it right here? It is very simple. You have to right click on your start setting. After that you have to go to settings, and here you have to click on personalization, then click on themes. After that you have to click here desktop icon settings, and here you can simply check or uncheck the program you want. Let's suppose we want to show the user files. Also click apply and you will see we have user files right here. Or let's suppose we don't want to show recycle bin, apply and recycle will be gone. So that's how you can completely change the icons or show, or you can remove the icons from this setting right here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.